Have you ever wondered how safe your car really is? How it might hold up in an accident? These are questions that the New Car Assessment Program, or Ncap, aims to answer. Through a series of rigorous tests, the Ncap evaluates the safety features and performance of various vehicles. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to understand these tests. First up, we have the front offset deformable barrier test. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? This test simulates a head-on crash with another vehicle. The car being tested is driven at a speed of 40 miles per hour towards a deformable barrier. This barrier is designed to mimic the crumple zones of a car, areas designed to absorb impact and protect passengers. The key takeaway here: this test assesses how well your car's front end can absorb a collision and protect you from harm. Next, we move to the side mobile barrier test. This is designed to simulate a side-on collision, such as if another vehicle were to hit your car's side at an intersection. The tested car is stationary, while a mobile barrier moving at 31 miles per hour strikes it. This test evaluates how well your car's side structure and airbags can protect passengers. So, the safer your car performs in this test, the better it can protect you in a real-world side collision. On to the pole side impact test. This simulates a scenario where the car slides sideways into a narrow, rigid object like a pole or a tree. The car is propelled sideways at 20 miles per hour into a rigid pole. The focus here is on the effectiveness of the car's side airbags and structure in such a scenario. The key learning: a car that performs well in this test can better protect you in the unfortunate event of a side impact with a pole. Now let's turn our attention to pedestrians. The pedestrian child head form to bonnet test replicates an instance where a child pedestrian's head might hit the car's bonnet. A child head form is dropped onto the bonnet at different locations at a speed correlating to 20 miles per hour. This test gauges how well a car's bonnet can minimize injuries to a child's head. The key point: the softer your car's bonnet, the less likely it is to cause serious injury to a child's head in an accident. Lastly, we have the pedestrian lower leg form to bumper test. This test simulates a pedestrian's legs hitting the car's bumper. A lower leg form is propelled into the bumper, imitating a collision at 25 miles per hour. This test measures how well a car's bumper can minimize leg injuries. So, the takeaway here: a car that performs well in this test can better protect pedestrians from serious leg injuries. In the end, the Ncap tests are all about safety. For you, your passengers, and those around you. They provide an objective measure of how well a car can protect its occupants and pedestrians in various scenarios. By understanding these tests, you can make more informed decisions when buying a car. Because when it comes to safety, every detail counts. So, subscribe us to get updates in automobiles and lot more. We feel encouraged with your like and subscribes. Stay safe and drive responsibly.